A depth lens is an instrumental lens that mostly put on a smartphone camera. This lens usually has a mid-range resolutions, since it is used to produce object images with bokeh effect. Samsung is currently launching and packing up their latest smartphones with this lens. On today's video, we have listed some 5 Galaxy smartphones that comes with depth lens. Samsung Galaxy A Quantum. This new smartphone variant from Galaxy A series has the support of depth lenses with their resolutions of 5 megapixels. Its rear camera is also supported with 4K resolutions, and its front camera has a high resolutions combined with an HDR lens. Samsung Galaxy A71. The Samsung Galaxy A71 comes with a similar rear camera configurations to the Samsung Galaxy A Quantum. This smartphone is also supported by a depth lens. The performance of this smartphone is supported by Snapdragon 730 chipset. Samsung Galaxy A51. Not only that it is supported by Exynos 9611 chipset, the Samsung Galaxy A51 also supports 4K camera resolutions combined with a depth lens that can produce great pictures or videos. Samsung Galaxy A41. This Galaxy 4 is packed with a depth lens that can produce beautiful bokeh photos. The rear camera on this smartphone also has LED flash, panorama, and HDR features. Samsung Galaxy A31. Samsung Galaxy A31 is known for its large battery capacity. This smartphone is perfect for outdoors photography or videos. This smartphone not only comes with a depth lens, but it also has a wide, ultra-wide, and micro lens configurations.